Question number 4. Here I have two different functions. So like we did in the example question, we are going to do the same thing. So this I'm going to take it as u of x and this I'm going to take it as v of x. I need to find what my dy by dx is. So dy by dx is going to be, this is going to be my y. So y equal to this particular function. So dy by dx and du by dx plus dv by dx. So I'm going to find the derivative of each and every term separately. So first u is equal to x to the x. I'm going to take log on both sides. So log u equals log of x to the x. Log u equals the power comes down. So x times log x. So this is going to be u when the x, v is going to be log x. So u, v. Don't get confused between this particular u and this u. Okay. இது வந்து நம்ம ஃபார்முலாக்காக யூஸ் பண்றோம். This is for the formula purpose and this is just to write the equation in simpler terms. Okay, please understand that. So u is going to be x, u dash வந்து 1, v dash is going to be 1 divided by x. So when I simplify this, when I take the derivative on both sides, 1 by u du by dx is going to be vu dash plus uv dash. Correct? So vu dash and it is going to be log x times x plus uv dash, which is x times 1 divided by x. So the x and the x is going to get cancelled. So du by dx is going to be u times, which is x to the x times x log x plus 1. Du by dx kandupidichachi. But dv by dx, what is my v? V is going to be 2 to the power sin x. Taking log on both sides, log v equals log of 2 to the power sin x. The power comes down, sin x is in the power, so the power comes down. So I have log v equals sin x times log 2. Log 2 is a constant, so in the இடத்துல uv dash vu dash லாம் கிடையாது. So I have 1 by v times dv by dx equals log 2 of d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x and it's simply cos x. So dv by dx is going to be v times, which is 2 to the power sin x times log 2 times sin x or derivative is going to be cos x. So I have cos x. You understand? The v comes to the other side. So in the v, this is my v. 2 sin x times log 2 sin x or derivative is going to be cos x. Understand? So du by dx kandupidichachu, dv by dx kandupidichachu. This is my du by dx, this is my dv by dx. I'm going to add them to get the final answer. So what do I have? dy by dx equals x to the x times x log x plus 1 plus 2 sin x log 2 cos x. So this is my final answer. Okay, very very simple. ஒரு term differentiate பண்ண வேண்டியதான். Please copy. Question number 5. I again have product of terms. So this is going to be my y. So y is equal to, இதை equate பண்ண வேண்டியதான். Taking log on both sides, log y equals log of x plus 3 the whole square times, question தான் எழுதுறேன், okay, times x plus 4 the whole cube times x plus 5 the whole power 4. Times product power என்ன அதெல்லாம் கரெக்டா பாருங்க. Now I have log of a b c productல இருக்கு. So log of a plus b plus c ன்னு எழுதலாமா? So log of a b is going to be log of a plus log of b. இதான formula. So when I apply this, I have log y equals log of a, which is x plus 3 the whole square, plus log of b, which is x plus 4 the whole cube, plus log of x plus 5 to the power 4. இந்த இடத்துல power இருக்கு, so the power is going to come to the front. So இந்த இடத்துல 2 முன்னாடி வரும், இந்த இடத்துல 3 முன்னாடி வரும், இந்த இடத்துல 4 முன்னாடி வரும். So what is my next step? Log y equals 2 log x plus 3 plus 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. So இந்த இடத்துல log இப்போ differentiate பண்ண வேண்டியதான். 1 by y dy by dx equals 2 times log x or derivative is 1 by x. So times 1 divided by x plus 3 d by dx of x plus 3. What is d by dx of x plus 3? 3 or a derivative 0, x or a derivative 1. So it is simply going to be 1. So I'm not going to write that particular step. D by dx on it is understood. Okay. Plus 3 into 1 divided by x plus 4 plus 4 into 1 divided by x plus 5. So these are my denominator terms. Now dy by dx and first LCM எடுத்துடலாமா? So I have 1 by y times dy by dx. Why am I taking the LCM? Because question la enna irukku x plus 3 the whole square irukku, denominator la x plus 3 irukku, so they can get cancelled. So I am going to find the LCM. So what will I have? LCM kandupidicha 2 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 plus 3 into x plus 3 into x plus 5 plus 4 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 the whole divided by x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5. Correct? இப்போ RHS மட்டும் simplify பண்ணிட்டே வந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? I'll have dy by dx equals y times, which is going to be x plus 3 the whole square, x plus 4 the whole square, x plus 5 the whole square divided by x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 times whatever is inside the bracket I'm going to multiply. So first 2 times x plus 4 into x plus 5. I'm going to multiply these two terms. So x plus 4 into x plus 5 enna? X square plus 4x plus 5x plus 20 plus 3 times inga enna irukku? X square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15 plus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. So ஒரு term multiply பண்ணிட்டு வரேன். You see that? So this is my first term, this is my second term, and this is my third term. Okay? இப்போ இங்க என்ன cancel ஆகுது? I see that x plus 3 and one of the terms get cancelled. X plus 4 இதுவும் x plus 5 இதுவும். So what am I left with? I have x plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 into இதை multiply பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 2x square plus 5 plus 4 9, 9 2s are 18, 18x plus 40 plus next term enna? 3x square plus 5 plus 3 8, 8 3s are 24, 24x plus 45 plus 4x square plus 4 plus 3 7, 7 4s are 28, so 28x plus 48. இதை add பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? I'll have x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 times 2x square, 3x square, 4x square. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. So 9x square plus x terms எல்லாம் add பண்ணலாமா? So 18x, 24, 28. 18, 24, 28. So what will I have? 8 8 16, 16 4, 20, 2 2 4 6 7, 70. So I have 70x plus இந்த term add பண்ணலாமா? 40 plus 45 plus 48. 40, 45, 48. 8 plus 5, 13. 1, 4, 3, 12, 13. 133. So plus 133. So what is my final answer? This is my final answer. So dy by dx is equal to this. I cannot further simplify this. So this is my final answer. Okay. Please copy. It is very, very easy.